Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley, and this is the video that I have been saying I was going to do for a week. Just never got around to it because my life is a little bit busy and everything like that, because I'm a little bit busy planning on stuff for Tiff's 31 Days of Samhain. So, yeah. But here I'm doing it. If you guys want to do this look for Halloween, or for Samhain, Halloween, then go ahead and do it. This is not really part of Tiff's 31 Days of Samhain. If you, because this is just a regular look. But I mean, if you want to use it for Samhain, you can. Alright, so today we are going to be doing a Y2K look. Now, if you don't know what Y2K is, basically it was really popular back in the 2000s, and it's coming back recently, so I decided to go ahead and do like a little small makeup tutorial for you guys. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So the first step we're going to be using is, of course, this primer. Now I have two primers here. One is the Tone Up Primer in Lavender from Avon, and the other is the Illuminating Primer by Rare Beauty. We are actually going to be using the Tone Up Primer in Lavender from Avon today. So we're going to just a little bit on our hand. And then just kind of. My dog wants me for some reason. Alright, and then we are going to, if I can find a brush. Yeah, that'll work. And then we're going to take a little fluffy brush and just blend it in. Like so. The lighting is horrible, but oh well. Next, we are going to be taking a foundation. This is the Liquid Luminizing Foundation in the shade 150C. Kind of using the dot method. And then with a foundation brush, just whatever method you use, you can use that. I like the sweeping motion, the sweeping method. If you use the dot method, then you will get it evenly. Now if you have concealer, go ahead and use that while I'm finishing up. Alright, now we're going to be taking the ColourStory Bright Blooms palette. And we're going to start our makeup like so. We are going, first of all, we're going to be taking the shade, we're going to be taking a blue shade, and it is in, this one is in Fresh. We're going to be putting it on the crease, on the outer. We're going to be doing it very, very lightly. Next, we're going to take the same brush and we're going to be taking a yellow color, and this is in the shade Buttercup. And we're going to be again taking the same brush and gently put it over the blue. So that way this will make it more like of a lighter blue. Next, we are going to be taking a flathead brush, and we're going to be taking the shade Warmth. And we're going to be placing that on our lid. As you can see, this color is very, very pigmented, so you don't want a lot. Yeah, that's it. Didn't know if that was going to be it or not. Alright, next we're going to be taking the Perfect Strokes liquid eyeliner from Rare Beauty in the shade, I guess this is black. And we're going to be lining our eyes. Not very good when it comes to lining my eyes, but oh well, practice makes perfect. Then for the cheeks, you can skip this step, but this step is optional, but I'm going to be taking the Avon Glimmer Shadow. This is, I don't even know what shade this is in. Shit, I don't even know what shade this is in. This is just a shimmery purple color. And I'm just going to be using this as a highlighter for right now. And for the lips, I'm going to be taking the Rare Beauty matte lip cream. This is in the shade Daring. And of course, to give my lips just give the color just a little bit of shine, we're going to be taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip gloss. This is in the shade Pisces, because I'm a Pisces rising. And we're going to set all that with a setting spray. This is from Rare Beauty. This is the 4-in-1 Always an Optimist primer, or Always an Optimist setting spray. And there you have it. Now I know this is not the exact Y2K look, but hey, it'll work. Either way, it'll work. It just has to be like bright colors. So that's why I used and everything like that. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and everything like that. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. I love you, and I will talk to you guys very soon.